Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depend on where you dey watch me from. This with day evening for this side, if it be morning, if it be afternoon, if it be evening. Happy Sunday to you all. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. I get on that topic when I want to talk about this evening, because we did evening for this side. So before I go start this my wonderful topic, if my first time just they come across my YouTube channel, my name is Rita Faithful. I talk about marriage and I talk about relationship also. And God bless you. God bless you all. For the people that share my video, for the people that thumbs up, for the people that also leave their comments, and for my wonderful subscribers and for my returning subscribers, all of you are blessed in the mighty name of Jesus. So the topic when I want to talk about today, this topic now about women. Now this topic one always go to today, because some of women today, they want turn to man for their home, or some don't already turn to man for their marriage. So the topic when I get, do you know that some character and attitude can destroy your marriage or your relationship? So this some of it when you need to avoid. Now I want to talk about today some of the character when you need to avoid. Now I want to talk about today. Yes, I will still talk to men because it still concerns men, but most this topic now for women. Now I want to talk to today. So my number one, pride, the spirit of pride. Your husband will offend you as a woman, or as a man, your wife will offend you. You go say lie, you not go beg her. You go the other one say lie, I not go tell her sorry. Why I go tell her sorry? Nah, he offend me, or nah, she offend me. I'm not fit tell her sorry. The spirit of pride, that is my number one. Like that kind spirit of pride, it can also destroy your relationship and also destroy your marriage. Number two, when I want to talk about voices, this one is for the women. The voices you use to your husband at home, the way you talk to your husband at home, the way you talk to your husband also in public, the voices you use, rude voices you use for your husband. You want to ask your husband for anything, you shout, you use a rude voice for your husband. How you want to get respect for from your husband? How you want to get that thing when you need from your husband? No matter what, husband not get small one. They not they see small husband. Husband and husband. Whether it's short or it's Leo, it's tall, husband like husband. Because you see her before you marry her. So you need to give her that respect. You need to guide that respect for her. Husband like husband. No matter what, you need to respect your husband, so that you will have love from your husband. You will have peace also from your husband. The way you talk to your husband. Talk to your husband with respect. With respect. Voice of respect. Ask your husband with a voice. Ask your husband anything you want him to do for you with a voice of respect. Not be voice of violence. You using that voice of violence, you know me say now you go to do that thing, or you go to help you do that thing. Because some women these days, they don't use their marriage, they don't use their self, I mean to say, take turn to the man, the head of the house. The head of the house. You know, this thing when I want to talk about now, you know, say all these men, they don't need command. Say you, the woman when they marry for us, you go they command them. They don't like them. That thing they read the verse them. But some women today, they command their husband anyhow for their marriage, for their home. So what they talk about since is, do you know some character and some attitude? That is my topic. Can destroy your relationship and your marriage. Some women go still there. Or let me just say, some girls they into relationship with guy. That they maybe for example, they want to ask that guy of anything, ask that guy for money or anything. They go use sweet voice, they go use low voice, they go use romantic voice, but after that guy don't marry them, they will bring all that character. When they hide, they will bring all of them comments. So, some of it, other character can destroy your relationship as a woman, can destroy your relationship as a man. No matter what. For my video when I do last, so I talk can say, not use evil overcome good. Don't use evil. Say person do you something, you want pay and back because your husband do you something or your wife do you something. You want pay and back with that evil when do to you. No. No. It's not good. For marriage, it's not good. So, now, waiting I want to talk about today. Even you want remind your husband, say, this thing, these children's school fees, it all due, it all reach to pay. You remind your husband with lovely voice. With lovely voice. Remind him with lovely voice. You know what you call your husband? Me, I call my husband on his sweetheart. I call him different name when I know, say, if they're romantic to me. You call your husband. Their school fees, it all due. They will pay and with romance or please. Their school fees, these children's school fees, they don't they draw them. They need to pay this school fees next week or next 2 weeks with romantic voice, not with rude voice. So, please, my people, please, our women, I'm a married woman. I'm a married woman, sorry to say. Please, all the married women all over the world, please know how to talk to your husband. Know how to use voices, romantic voice for your husband. Because they important. And what I get for you this evening, what God cannot do, it doesn't exist. So, put God in your marriage. Because what enough you do, you know they exist. With other character, put God, and God will help you to change other character so that you will have a peaceful home. Please help me to share this video. Please leave your comments. Also, thumbs up, please. God bless you. Happy Sunday and have a nice day. Bye.